Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to design login page in Figma. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. The login page is a crucial element of any website or app, providing users with a secure way to access their account and interact with your platform. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of designing a professional and user-friendly login page using Figma. We'll cover everything from creating the layout and selecting the right colors and typography to adding input fields, buttons, and other essential elements. So, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a frame. We can create a frame by clicking on F, and over here on the right side, you will be able to see different formats or different styles that you could use. As you can see here, you could create a frame for a phone, a tablet, a desktop, TV, presentation, watch, proper, paper, social media, and Figma community over here. You can simply choose the gadget that you would like to create a design for. For example, we would like to create a design for a phone. We could click on the phone section and we all have these options over here. We have iPhone options and Android options over here. For example, we would like to create a design for an iPhone 14 Pro Max over here. We can simply click that and you will be able to see your design or your layout over here on your screen. This is the size of an iPhone Pro Max, so whatever design you will be creating here will be compatible to your Pro Max. Now you could choose different styles of creating login page. You could do whatever way or creative way you would like to present your login page. It depends on your creativity or your idea or your team. Everything depends on the topic that revolves around your brand. You could have a cartoonish design, you could have a realistic design. Everything is completely up to you. For me, I would like to create a design that is a bit realistic with a real photo in the background and something on top that will showcase or show our login section. So what we're going to do first is we're going to select a photo. We could select free photos and download free photos from pexels.com. By going over here, as you can see, we have best free stock photos and royalty-free image and videos over here that you could use for your Figma designs. I'm simply going to look for a design that I would like for our design on our login page over here. For example, we're going to go with strawberries over here. Click on free download and I will be able to freely download the specific image. And now going back here, I'm going to upload our image. And as you can see, it's currently on my browser cursor. So I'm simply going to drag it over here just like that. And now we have our background over here. We could add effects to the specific section. You could add drop shadow, layer blur, background blur, depending on the style that you would like to have. For now, we're going to go with layer blur. And then we're going to click on our blur level over here. We could add the level over here by simply doing this, just like that. And it's more blurred as you can see. You could also add some strokes over here if you would like, depending on how you would like your image to be presented. Now after this, I'm simply going to click on the square button over here, the shape buttons over here. And you could choose from all of these different elements, different shapes that you could use for your design. For us, we're going to go with a rectangle and we're going to draw over our design over here, just like that. And we could click this. We could change the color of our design by clicking this. We could change it to close to pink, just like that. We could add some gradients if you would like, but for us right now, we're not going to add. We could change our layer to these different designs over here. We could have screen, lighten, color burn, multiply, darken, normal, pass through if you would like, overlay, and all of these different designs over here. You could choose any of this one. So for us, we're going to go with screen over here so that we have a transparent type of design over here. Now the next thing you could do is you could add more shapes to this. For example, we could add another line that we could use as an extra design. For example, only line, then drag that over here just like this. We scroll in a bit so that we can ensure that it is properly aligned, just like that. And now we have like some sort of design we have over here, and I can simply click on our element, then click on Alt, then drag it over here. We will be able to add lines to our page just like that. And we have a simple design over here. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a text. We're going to click on the text section over here. Click on your canvas over here, and you will be able to add a text on the specific section. We're now going to increase our size to 48. Let's see how big it is, just like that. And we're going to type in login page, or just simply login, just like that. And we're going to center this, just like that. And we're going to change our font style by clicking this and highlighting it. And we could click on regular over here. You could change this to different types of text over here, as you can see. Different settings for your text, or you can simply change the font in this section over here and choose from all of these different styles that we have over here. You can choose this once again, just like that. And as you can see, we have our login message over here. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put in your username and password section in this section. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in another box that we could add. We're going to click on our shapes over here, click on rectangle, and we're going to add it over here. This will be our username. We're going to click this, click on Alt, bring it over here. This will be our email, do the same thing. And this will be our password section over here. Now we're going to click this, and click this so that we all select them all in one. And we're going to add a stroke so that there is a box over here, just like that. And we could add more effects if you would like. Click on that, click on this. You will be able to add inner shadow, drop shadow, layer blur, or background blur. We're going to settle with drop shadow, just like that. And we could click our login also over here, add a stroke if you would like. As you can see, you could have that as a stroke. And we're going to settle with that right now. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some text for our email and password, just like that. We're going to change our size because it's a bit too big, just like that. We're going to go with 12, and we're going to type in email address, just like that. And now we have our email address over here. Put it on top of our first box. We're going to increase the size a bit, maybe 15, just like that, and drag it over here, just like that. And we could click on our stroke once again, click on stroke, and you will be able to have a stroke over here. We could change it to inside, just like that, so that our color is in the inside. Now it became a black color. So we're simply going to click on Alt, drag it below, just like that. Then drag it below once again, just like that. And we're going to change our email address to username. And then for this one, we're going to type in password, just like that. And now we have our email address, username, and password section over here. We could add another design over here. Click on rectangle, put it over here, just like that. And we could change this to whatever color you would like. We're going to go with white, add a stroke, just like that. And you could turn the design over here, maybe add an effects over here, add a drop shadow or inside shadow, depending on what you would like. We're going to settle with inside shadow. Going to click this, Alt once again, put it over here in the center, and put in the words, maybe type in remember me, just like that. This is like a checkbox for the person to remember whoever this is. We could arrange our layouts once again. I'm going to select this and make it a bit closer to the original, just like that. And just like that. We could make this closer as well, just like that. And we could add another text. For example, the user forgot their password, so we're going to add that text over here, just like that, and type in forgot password, just like that. And we're going to change our font color by clicking that, highlighting it, and we're going to change it to whatever color we are going to choose. We're going to choose it as red, just like that. And now we have a design, so we're going to add a stroke, make it outside, or we're going to make this even thinner, You're not going to add them for now, just like that. And now we have a very simple login page for our design over here. We have a strawberry design and that design over here. We could add and adjust our lines over here. We could in this section, just like that. And you could add more stuff below here, maybe an image or a terms and services section, whatever you would like to add to your page. And now you can simply edit this, whatever you would like. Or for example, we could go and add, like, we're going to copy this, drag it over here in the center. We're going to put it over, just like that. And we're going to drag this once again in the center. And maybe you could put in the logo of your different socials available in this section, like Google, Facebook, Instagram, depending on whatever logo that the different socials are available. You could put them over here. But that's it for now. That is how you could design a very quick and easy login page for your designs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.